Meaning of foster.
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 Foster. Foster can mean to promote the development or growth of something, typically a child or an idea. When something is fostered, it is nurtured and encouraged to reach its full potential. The result of fostering is often positive, as it helps individuals or ideas to flourish and become successful. Fostering can also refer to providing temporary care and support for a child or animal in need. In these cases, the result is usually a safe and stable environment where the child or animal can grow and thrive until a permanent home is found.